Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a first look video for you on the brand new Enchanted Garden print from Jujubee and a review and packing video on the Be Light. Out of all of those prints that I just pulled down that I think pair nicely with Enchanted Garden, some of them were a little out there. Like, of course, you're not going to probably want to pair Rosie Posy with Enchanted Garden, but I mainly wanted to pull this one in because a lot of you wanted to see these two side by side. So that's why I kind of put that one in the mix. But I think my favorite out of all of them have to be the bags from the Chromatics line. They all look really good, but my favorite has to be the red. I mean, come on, it just pulls in these red flowers so well, and it looks really, really good. Another shocking favorite was Duchess. Like, isn't that fun? I think that that was really neat too. So anyways, hope that was helpful. I know some of you like to see those print comparisons. So this here is the Be Light. Those of you that might be new to this particular style, you have a Jujubee plaque here on the front of it, and it's kind of a really pretty brushed gold in this particular print. I like it a lot. It's not the shiny gold. Let's see. That's on Duchess. You guys can kind of see the difference there. It is a brushed gold. And it looks good even against this rose gold on the Chromatics. Like, they're both kind of that brushed finish. So they look really good together. But back to the Be Light. So on the front of this bag, you have two super long pockets that go the entire length of the bag. And then you have two tote straps here at the top. I know you can't see with the way I have the camera angled right now, but on the next angle, you'll be able to see perfectly fine. On the back of the bag, you don't have any pockets. It's just complete fabric. So nothing going on back there. In these front two pockets, I just have things that I would need for myself. I have this bag packed up for running errands. I actually have a couple of pickups this afternoon. I have Walmart and I have Target. So I'll mostly be in my car, but I will have to pop in a grocery store to get like some deli meat that we ordered. So anyways, that's what this is packed up for. Over here in this pocket, I have my wallet. This is a Limea wallet in the color I'm Moody. Again, like really a good print pairing with this one. It looks so good with the dark florals. So that here is my wallet. It has all of my cards, some hand sanitizer, things like that inside. So I can just grab the wristlet here and go. That's the only thing in this pocket. I also will throw in my face mask. Those are in my car right now, so I don't have them here. And then over here in this side pocket, I just have a pack of tissues. I also have a thing of wet ones. And then down here at the very bottom, I typically will keep a hand cream. Usually it's a Perfectly Posh, like big fat yummy hand cream. I've had this one for a little while. And then I also have down here some type of hand sanitizer. So all of that kind of goes on the outside. If I have a water bottle with me, I will kind of sometimes put them in the front pockets, but if I'm gonna be in my car, it'll just hang out in my cup holder. So let me put the camera down and show you what I have on the inside. So the Be Light and the Super Bee have been two of my favorite styles from Jujubee over the years. I probably have the most bags in these particular styles because I use them the most. What I love about them is they are unstructured and super, super lightweight. So they will fold up really small. You could put them in a pouch, take them traveling, like put them down into a pocket of a suitcase, and you have an extra bag while you're on your trip. So there's just so many things that you can use this particular style with. Over here on the side of the Be Light, you do have these two little hooks. So you can go ahead and put like stroller clips, or if you want to attach maybe a passy pod or something like that, you do have the option here on both sides of the bag. The tote straps are nice and long. They can go over your shoulder comfortably, a good drop length, and I don't find that they slip off my shoulder or anything like that. So going on into the inside of the bag, I of course have my things in here, so that's why the bag's not falling over at the moment. But the zipper here at the top goes the entire length of this bag, so it closes completely on the side. And It has the same kind of brushed gold hardware there that the front plaque of the bag has. Looking on the inside, the lining for this Enchanted Garden is a really pretty blue color. It's a very light blue. It's like pale and it matches this little kind of blue flower here. So I love the lining choice that they did for this bag. So like I said, this is packed up for pretty much being in my car waiting for pickups, but it has everything that I need. I am old school. I really like paper magazines. I buy all the Magnolia ones when they come out. I like this Real Simple. I'll even from time to time still buy parent magazines, even though my kids are a little bit older now. Let me know if you guys are the same way, or do you kind of look at magazines on your iPads and phones and things. But that's what I have down here. I just have a Real Simple, the current magazine. I haven't read that one yet. And then I have my Simplified weekly planner. You can fit any size planner in the Be Light if you have a big Erin Condren, if you have a daily size planner. Obviously the size of that magazine is much bigger than this, so you can fit anything down inside the Be Lights. This is just a weekly planner with a stretchy band and notebook. Then the other items I have are just thrown down in there. Since I don't have much in the bag, I don't need a whole heck of a lot of organization. I have my keys down in there with my big O Venture key ring. And then I have a Be Shady case from Jujubee. This has my eyeglasses and my sunglasses. It's a really hard case, so it keeps them nice and protected. And then I also have down here at the very bottom a leather coin purse. This is made by Limea. And inside here, I just have a reusable Ello plastic straw. And then I also have my earbuds down in there. So this coin purse kind of keeps those things nice and secure, and it's easily to be found inside. Then I also have, the only thing left that I have is a small, I believe it's the smallest size that they have in the Dagny Dover Hunter case. I love this, and I really liked the way that it paired with Enchanted Garden. I just like this kind of peachy pomelo color. But inside here, I just have small things that I didn't want to get lost down in the bag, and I wanted to be able to just grab this out and get everything that I needed really quickly. I have a big scrunchie, pull everything out fast. Then in this little pocket with these loops back here, I don't have anything in those particular things, but I just have an eyeglass wipes, a nail file, emergency pack. Then I also have just a couple of random lip products down here, a hair tie, my mint condition chapstick, some of these Neutrogena face wipes. I also have Advil. And then the last thing I have in here is a little pouch that actually comes with it. It's Velcro, so it comes out of this case really easily if I need it for something. And basically what's in here is first aid things. I usually just plop this in whatever bag I have when I have the kids too. It has Band-Aids, Neosporin, travel scissors, healer stick, nail file, or not nail file, a nail clipper. So all that kind of stuff kind of goes down in there. So that's everything I have in the main bulk of this bag. See how it kind of folds up so nice and small. There is one zipper pocket on the inside of the bag here. And inside this zipper pocket, I just have a couple of snacks. Like if I got hungry or something, I basically have gum and one of these RX bars. And that's it. The pocket is nice and big though back there if you wanted to put something that you wanted to keep a little bit more secure. So that is everything I have packed up in the Be Light for just me. I'll give you one more look here now that the bag is empty of this Enchanted Garden print. So you can kind of see all the different flowers and colors. It's a really pretty one, especially for summer. So I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, as always, leave them below. I'll have links to everything I can find also in the description box. Have a great day.